guys? I'm right here. Welcome back. Hey guys, I'm on here. Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing another video of Animal Jam. And I think there's more of a title to this. We're not just going to be walking around everywhere like we did in my last Animal Jam video. I think we're actually just going to go. No, we're not going to go on other people's accounts because I just make one. I want another person's account. But we're just gonna go to my den. I'm not gonna be here for the whole video, or else this will be very, very boring. Yes, this is my den. I've made a school. Whatever I'm doing that looks. I think this looks boss. I have a really creative mind, so I can make this stuff. But this office part was hard because these you can only get in these lucky clover, and these adventures have the worst prizes. That's the prize for completing it. Then it's 100 eggs. Because I've played it. And then there's about, I don't know. There's 50 clovers that are green. Everything's green. And you could get Brody or Dester's gone up to 59. I've also gone up to 59. I didn't make it. Anyway, it's going to be other than. I only have 3. But this was my first one. My lucky desk and my plushies. A beta fan. I think that's no. Put in the comment section down below, what exactly are betas? I have no idea. Is it those beta banners or something? I don't know. Anyway, what's this? Never seen. Somebody. Also, here's a tip. You can only have 100 buddies. And that is a lot. Well, it's not, you could say it's, a lot. Also, I think, because when I first played, I don't think you guys, if you haven't played it in a while, they updated and they got all these buttons, wall items, pets. I'm playing, man. You can only get 1 wallpaper, never 4. Plants, plushies, furniture, more buttons. I don't think that really makes a difference, but who knows? This one looks cool. And then let's see. And then let's see what room. It's pets, wallpapers, plants, decorations, furniture. These buttons are so tiny though. It's really a big disadvantage. I'll find what we had before. I think it mentions all of it, and Let's see. Yeah, have to collect eggs. There's a new den. It's like 5 more new ones. And then there's like, let's see, there's one, two, 3. Well, no, just add 4 more buttons. I wonder how you get on contact HQ anyway. And the daily, you actually get rare items because you get the gift. The only thing you can get is rares. I'm not kidding. What? A few more weeks. I can't even use half of those. Because I'm a non-member. My friend, Mr. Desta, is a member. I just can't figure out why I can't upload videos. Let's see. I'll show you. Because he has created some really good videos. Like some, no, let's just search them. So you can actually see what it looks like. Also, he is the whole reason why I'm wearing a rare bow. Because he got 2 bows, 2 rare bows. He gave 1 rare bow to me because he had 2. Because I was searching for a rare bow for about 2 months. It's been really a painstaking job because every time it's like I knew they would accept, and then like my game crashes. My game still crashes. I'm not really going for any. Like I don't really have a goal for anything now. I'm just walking around. How much weird stuff I could see. Because I've seen people taking souls. I think I mentioned that in the last video. So when the pod gets cut off and they're happy about it, which is like, if they numbed it, that'll kind of make sense. But I mean, if you had one of these permanently, yeah. If you're wearing like those red shoes from Wizard of Oz, that would make more sense. Thank you, you saved my life. I'm being killed by the witch. I'm gonna listen to this. What are you supposed to be? A fire? You look like one. Also, if you're, let's just say, I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyway, I'm gonna try getting Warren. Because everyone says, oh, Warren, so good. I don't know. I've seen like thousands of people who have a Warren. I want your sword. Please. No. Anyway, we're gonna need to find someone with a Warren. Let's see if there's anyone on. Animal TT, and again, TT. I have no idea what they're talking about. Or just individual. Oh, chalkboard. Need it. Need it. I'll give you rares. Probably all rares, because I have tons. Let's see. Actually, I got the perfect plan. Let's see. Yep. This is probably gonna work. I want that. I want that. I don't want that. And you get that. And then. And then. I think that's it. No. This one. Okay. Now I'll just give them a rare, and they'll say yes. It's mine. It's mine. I don't care if it's a bad trade. I don't want those rares. Okay, check them all. Dang it! Okay. Lost. Dang it. And that sucked. Anyway. Nobody's on. And it's 8 o'clock. No, it's 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's 9. Looked at it incorrectly. Anyway, what games do you want me to play? Like, what games would you like me to play? Because I'm running out of ideas. I played every single Henry Stickmin game in one day and made a series out of it. In one day. Completed them all. But what games would you like me to play? Because I'm running out of flipping ideas. I'm probably just gonna make Animal Jam videos, maybe tell you guys how to work some stuff. I'm a flipping dinosaur in this game. I've been playing for 3 years. Let's see, yeah, 3 years ish. Oh, see ya. I don't want a boy. I don't want a girlfriend. I already have one. No. I'm leaving. How did it go through a tree? Moon kit. Dance. Oh yeah. I'm not doing it. Oh, dang it. Oh my god. Exactly. I can't see the top of that. But I've done this before. You're battling for me. which is cool. There's also another one in Superior Forest. I think I'll stop. So subscribe if you can get to 20 subscribe mark. That would be amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.